Biliary atresia, congenital atresia of the bile duct. So this is the abnormality which is present. The cause is unknown. It is been told it can be familial or hereditary cause is the reason for atresia of the bile duct. How does the child present with this? Usually initially 1 week to 10 days or 15 days baby can be normal, or they can even develop jaundice, but sometimes the jaundice usually develops after 15 days or 20 days of the birth, and at second month the jaundice is more, it is not subsiding. We can even tell that it is a continuation of the physiological jaundice which keeps on occurring, and there is no excretion of the bile due to atresia into the intestines. So the stool is clay color stools is seen in the newborn. After the 4 to 5 days, clay color stools will be appearing. So these are the clinical features. One is the jaundice and the clay color stools. And if you go to investigation, so the liver enzymes might be abnormal. Liver function test can be seen. It can be raised, liver enzymes can be raised, and if required you are supposed to do even liver biopsy also. In the liver biopsy you can see the bile ducts, bile plugs in the dilated ducts can be seen, or there can be even fibrosis or inflammatory changes and the giant cell transformation within the bile ducts. And if you go for treatment, it is the surgical treatment which is done, that is called as Kasai's operation. In 1968, Kasai and Lilly are the two surgeons. Together they have found this surgery. So the name of the surgery is Kasai's operation, and if it is intrahepatic biliary atresia, then the prognosis is bad. Liver transplantation will be the treatment. Thank you.